What's up, you guys? It's Steve here, and in this video I'm going to be covering all 50 states, 33 of which have approved new benefits to go out in the month of October and November for SNAP. I'm going to be covering the exact arrival days and also stimulus checks. The state of California is going to be sending out up to $1,050 in that state, and also P-EBT, 3 different states sending out benefits right now. And of course, all of this is going on because, as I shared with you in a previous video, President Joe Biden has announced the state of emergency due to the pandemic is going to be continuing out until January of 2023, which means additional funding for benefits such as these for stimulus provisions can get carried out until February of 2023. So I'm going to get you caught up on all the details. And also, be sure to stick around to the end. I'm going to have a special guest appearance for you. As you guys know, my kids, I'm very proud of them. Today they launched their very own channel, their very first video. If you get a chance, check it out. If you got kids, I hope that they will enjoy it, you guys. Just something fun for the family. We released that special guest appearance at the end you're not going to want to miss. So let's go ahead, though, and dive right into the latest on stimulus. And before we do me a quick favor. If you appreciate the updates, keeping you up to speed on everything, don't forget, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Helps out the channel a ton. Thank you so much. Also, leave your comments, share this out. If you want to stay up to date, it's totally free. Why not? All you got to do is hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, come join the RAM fam. I'll keep you up to speed on stimulus checks, child tax credits, Social Security increases, SNAP benefits, P-EBT, everything that's available that can help you out at this time. If you have any specific questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram at SteveRam3. Check out my second channel, Steve Ram Finance, to learn about growing wealth and personal finance. And also, if you want access to the comprehensive list of every stimulus check in the nation, literally over 100 different ones for states, cities, counties. There's nothing out there like this anywhere. I personally spent 3 months assembling this all for you at www.reliefroadmap.com. The comprehensive list, so you don't have to spend hours searching for websites, phone numbers, emails. I have all the information compiled in one place, easy to access. But with that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and dive into the latest updates. All right, you guys, so first up, SNAP Pandemic Emergency Allotment distributions for October 2022. I'm going to go through the list of all the states and also the November distributions. And then after that, if I have not named off your state, I'm going to be naming off all the ones that have put their benefits to an end and when they did so. And then after that, we're going to be covering the stimulus checks and the P-EBT. So first up, SNAP benefits for October of 2022. First off is Colorado. They're going to be doing distributions October 6th through October 12th. Connecticut, October 15th and October 16th. Delaware, October 26th. So that one is coming up. Washington, D.C., regular issuance is scheduled. Illinois, October 21st through the 29th. Louisiana, October 1st, October 8th, October 15th, October 22nd, and October 29th. Maine, October 7th. Maryland, October 1st through October 31st. Michigan, October 15th, October 24th. New Jersey, October 1st through October 5th. New Hampshire, October 4th and October 21st. New Mexico, October 1st through October 31st. New York, for New York City, distributions happen October 14th through the 27th, and the rest of the state is October 10th through the 20th. North Carolina is October 22nd through the 31st. Ohio is October 27th through the 28th. Oklahoma, October 1st through the 15th, and Oregon, R1, October 10th, R2, October 28th, and R3, November 1st. Pennsylvania, October 18th through the 29th, Rhode Island, October 3rd, South Carolina, October 1st through October 19th, Texas, October 3rd through the 11th, Utah is October 29th, Virginia, October 16th, Washington, October 1st through the 20th, West Virginia, October 4th, and Wisconsin, October 15th. Now, November allotment distribution dates are going to be Alabama, October 31st through November 1st, California, November 19th through November 26th, Hawaii, November 14th, Kansas, November 21st through November 30th, Massachusetts, November 2nd, Minnesota and Nevada anticipating announcements soon, and Vermont, November 14th. Now, if I did not name off your state, that means they have put an end to their SNAP distributions, and those states include the following and ending in 2021: Mississippi, Tennessee, Missouri, Florida, Idaho, Montana, South Dakota, North Dakota, Nebraska, and Arkansas. Ended March 2022. Iowa. Ended April 2022. Arizona and Kentucky. Ended May 2022. Indiana and Georgia, and ended August 2022, Alaska. And again, these distributions, the SNAP benefits for the pandemic, they continue on as we are in this state of emergency. So that means many of these states will likely carry this on and continue until at least February of 2023. And here you can see from the official SNAP pandemic emergency allotment guidance that for 2022, those that have acknowledged extensions are in place through November is going to be Washington, D.C. or the District of Columbia, Kansas, Maryland, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Oregon, Rhode Island, West Virginia, and Wisconsin. Now, P-EBT benefits are going out in 3 states, the first of which I'm going to be sharing with you is Mississippi. And it says the MDE and MDHS release P-EBT cards to over 92,000 children under the age of 6. The Mississippi Department of Education and Mississippi Department of Human Services have begun releasing P-EBT benefits to over 92,000 children who were under the age of 6 and received SNAP benefits during the 2021 and 2022 school year or summer of 2022. P-EBT cards for those recipients will be mailed starting October 13th through October 22nd. Also, Florida, it says the Pandemic Electronic Benefits Transfer Summer 2022 P-EBT. Summer of 2022 P-EBT benefits will be issued to school-aged children who were determined eligible for free or reduced price lunches through the National School Lunch Program, or the NSLP, during school year SY 2021-2022. Summer 2022 P-EBT benefits will also be issued for children under the age of 6 who received SNAP assistance during the summer and participating in children's settings. Each eligible student child will receive a one-time Summer 2022 P-EBT benefit of $391. Summer 2022 P-EBT benefit issuance is expected to begin in October of 2022 and will run through November of 2022. Eligible recipients should expect to receive their payments by November 30th of 2022. And third and lastly, we have Illinois. Summer School 2022 school P-EBT benefits for children enrolled in public school are being issued. New P-EBT cards will be mailed over the next 6 weeks. Please allow time for delivery. And jumping down to the bottom, you can see summer school benefits for children enrolled in public school will be issued between October 11th and October 21st of 2022. And lastly, California. Millions of Californians are going to be receiving inflation relief checks of up to $1,050 starting in October right now, either as direct deposits or as debit cards. The state expects 95% of the payments to go out this year, with the remaining checks reportedly arriving by January 15th of 2023. And according to the state, they should be arriving between October 7th and October 25th. So let me know in the comments if you're from California, if you have already received your stimulus check. All right, guys, so I have a special guest appearance, and this is, tell everybody your name.
Naya.
And today, Naya had something special happen. She launched her very first YouTube channel with her first video, and what was it about?
Rebecca.
It was about her American Girl doll, Rebecca, and when we first got it. And what are you going to be doing next now that you got Rebecca?
I am going to be earning, so this is my goal, earning 23 American Girl dolls.
That's a lot of American Girl dolls. Well,
I don't know how I'm going to fit them all in my room.
yeah, well, we'll be working on it. But you guys, so Naya is so excited. If you guys haven't got a chance, go check out their channel. It's Liam and Naya. And the very first video is her going and buying her first American Girl doll, Rebecca, unboxing it. We hope it's a blessing to you. And if you got any kids, I hope that they enjoy it. Just something fun with the family on a Friday. And we're going to try to release videos on that channel, maybe like 1 or 2 a week, just depending on how we can schedule things with the kids. But hope that you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Don't forget, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date. Any specific questions, Instagram, SteveRam3. Check out the kids' channel. Check out my second channel. And also, you guys, www.reliefroadmap.com to access the comprehensive list of every stimulus check. But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for joining us. And we'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Hope that you and the family have a blessed weekend. Take care. God bless. Smash the like button. This is Steve and Naya.